So I tried to do the carnivore diet for 7 days. Hi, my name is Pat, and all I did this week was eat just meat, eggs, and cheese. That's it. I did have some water, electrolytes, and coffee, so I wasn't a hardcore carnivore, but I did try just eating meat, eggs, and cheese. And so this is my experience on the carnivore diet. So here is how it went.
So day one, I'm weighing 202 pounds, looking relatively lean, I guess you can say. And got some chuck roast that I made the night before. I was pretty excited. I was over 24 hours fasted before I did this diet attempt, I guess you can say. So this chuck roast was all right. It wasn't the greatest, but I also went ahead and cooked some steak up as well because I was hungry. And yeah, that steak was bomb, and so it was really good. Added some salt, and yeah, so that's the meal one. Now this is meal two. We got some bacon and eggs, and I just devour this thing. I love bacon, I love eggs, and yeah, that's meal number two.
What's up, guys? Just want to give you a quick update. Trying to test this carnivore diet, or ran 3.5 miles and then walked 0.5 miles. My goal was to run, usually I run 4.5 miles on Thursdays, trying to go fast for 2.5 miles and then pretty like at a 5-mile-an-hour pace on the rest of the miles. But I did 1.5 miles at 8 miles an hour and did most of the rest at 5 miles an hour. And then 0.5, the last 0.5, I just couldn't run no more. At 0.5 miles, I was gassed and I felt like I was gonna throw up the whole time. I don't know if it's just the whole, what they call keto flu, or just not having carbs in my system, or to be honest, I had bacon last night, a lot of it, and I don't know, that I feel like it could be that. I don't know. I think maybe like my thought process was get more fat in and then I'll have more energy. But I'm not gonna knock the fat thing. I think I'm just gonna knock the bacon. I think the bacon was just so greasy, and I just feel like it's all right here. So I'm not blaming the diet yet. I think I just made a bad choice to have bacon last night, or to even have bacon, I don't know, but I'm just being straight up, being honest. Right now, I feel like crap, and I don't feel hungry at all. I don't want any kind of food. I'm not even craving carbs. I just feel disgusting. I feel like I'm sweating pig guts. So, I mean, if you want to go to this diet, just have bacon at night and then wake up and try to do a fasted cardio session, and then you won't feel hungry. For right now, day two, finished my cardio, and I feel like crap. So hopefully by either tomorrow, Sunday, or I don't know when, but hopefully things get better. So just want to update you guys. Thanks for tuning in.
So after my workout, I went ahead and made some ground beef. I made a lot of it, made 5 pounds of it, and then I broke it up into 1 pound over 5 days. So I had some eggs with it as well. The macros are on the left as usual. I went ahead and devoured this I don't know how I did it, but I was kind of hungry. But after this meal, I wasn't hungry after that, so I didn't even eat for the rest of the day. And day two, I ended up taking my first dump, which was pretty exciting. I also was supplementing with electrolytes because I didn't want to die. And then I saved the rest of the ground beef for later, as you can see. Day three, I woke up with super bad muscle cramps and felt really, really sore. And then I went snowboarding and then made some bacon and eggs in the parking lot, which was pretty cool. Overall, it was a good day. Here I fall on my butt. Yeah, not so great, but
good. Day 4 on a carnivore diet. I don't even have to say anything. Look at me. I'm tired. I don't like eating food no more. Eating food's a chore. Working out is a chore now. My energy is so freaking low. I just finished a workout and I feel like I just got punched in the face. I don't know what people talking about, like this being a great diet. I know it's only been 4 days, but it's like, come on, man. Like, I just want some potatoes. I want some veggies. Like, just give me them veggies. I know, like, if you're not looking to work out and you're like trying to just to lose weight in general and not track your macros, like this is a good diet to go on, because you will not want to eat food after a while. Like, you'll just be like, nope, I'm okay. Like right now I don't feel like eating, but I don't know, maybe after I take a shower and stuff I'll feel like eating. But right now, like day 4, man, it's something. I can't wait for this to be over. So I'll catch you guys in the tomorrow, and yeah.
Day 4, I added some cheese to the diet, which made the ground beef taste way better. I also went ahead and made a carnivore pizza, which was pretty interesting to make, and made with chicken and eggs and cheese, and then put some beef on top and some cheese, and it was actually pretty decent. It wasn't that bad of a meal. Day 5, I went ahead and ran 10 miles, and then after that I had some ground beef and eggs and cheese, then went to church, and then had a Flying Dutchman, or 2 of them to be exact. And then after that I made some steak for the family and had a lot of steak. It was really good. Then day 6, I ran 4 miles really slow, just was gassed. I was really tired, just a recovery really. And then I went ahead and made some chuck roast and some beef, ground beef and eggs. And then I went ahead and fasted for 48 hours after this, so that I was able to finish the carnivore diet in a fasted state, just like how I started it. And the results are in, and I weighed 198 pounds. So as you can see from the last week, I lost 4 pounds on this diet. That's crazy. I don't really look that much different, not much leaner, but I could definitely feel definition in my abs when I ended up weighing myself. So I feel like that's a win in itself.
Would I recommend this diet? I would say if you're thinking about trying it and you see all these people doing it, why not just try it? Try it for 7 days. If you like it, go with it, you know? It might change your life. But in my opinion, I think if you're gonna do it, try not to be so strict. Like, add some spices, add some, flavor to the meat. I mean, just adding salt and pepper to meat can get really boring. And I just don't think that's just overall a healthy way to live. I mean, you gotta have a little bit of fun with your diet. Otherwise, it just doesn't seem like why? Like, it just seems like boring, and then you just crave things that are like ice cream and fries, and I don't know, ice cream and fries, yeah. So obviously I think you should at least add some more sauces and stuff. Don't be too strict with yourself. Will I ever do it again? There's an 80% chance I'll never do it again, just because the way I just felt greasy. My endurance just felt like crap. Like, I woke up and, I mean, my energy level was pretty solid. Like, I didn't feel like I was super tired, but at the same time I never felt really energized. So it was kind of like, like if you're just coming in and trying to work out and you're not trying to perform, then I think this diet might be good for you. But I don't know anything, because there's Sean Baker, there's Joe Rogan, there's people that say this diet is amazing for performance, and honestly with my experience, I don't. Everybody's different, so you should just try it out for yourself. And for sure, weight loss will occur on this diet. As you can see, my weight loss happened within 7 days. If you're eating a lot of carbs the week before, and then you jump on this diet, you're gonna lose weight. You're gonna lose water weight. You might lose a little bit of fat. You're probably gonna be in ketosis. And if you add fasting to it, oh my gosh, you're gonna lose a lot of weight, for sure. Me adding that fast, I had a lot of energy during that fast at the end of the week, just because I was already in ketosis, and it was perfect. I did have coffee, so I mean, I'm not ooh, I I don't have that edge on those hardcore carnivores that, you know, drink bone broth and crap. But no offense, I'm just saying I just tried it. I tried bone broth and I was just like, no, I'm not like that. Also, I am not a doctor. I mean, I know I look like a doctor, but I'm not a doctor, so don't take any of my advice too literal. I'm not gonna tell you to, you know, eat meat only and you'll have results. Just do what's best for you and do it at your own risk. I hope you liked this video. Go ahead and like the video and subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you all. Peace.
Lifting his name on high.